Right, so we're just at the Hotel Celine. Let's have a little walk home. Walk back to our hotel. Staying up there. The excursions there. Nespa. Hello. There you go, all prices on there. Don't know where we are. Beach is just down there. GM Park Hotel.
Look, GD Sport.
Oh yes.
Have a look.
JD Sport. Why not look around? How are you? You good?
I'm fine. You are in TikTok.
Pardon? YouTube. YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Yes. Welcome.
Thank you. It's all very much like the same, isn't it? Thank you.
Everything is good price, boss.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The best price.
Yeah.
Always the best.
Hoodie is £10.
Yeah, let's look at them. You can come here with no clothes and just buy everything. It's cheap. It's good.
Kick racks with 2 for £30.
Oh yes.
If you buy something, 2 for 25.
Perfect.
Quite nice as well.
Oh yeah, look. More face, yeah.
Got a little zip there, somewhere to put your...
Plenty of pockets, yeah. Yeah, the bikinis.
You on TikTok?
YouTube.
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 What's the name?
Yeah, you do.
Wagwan Tours.
Yeah, it should do it for you. Men's tracksuit, look at that. 2 for 50. Thank you. England, near Bristol. Yeah. Everything is £5 and £10.
Are you coming?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. It's really good prices.
Yeah, that's really good.
Perfect.
And everything got the price on.
Yeah.
So people can show that.
Yeah, exactly. You can't go up. Exactly. Have a good day. Hold on. Just so anyone can see, look. Back bacon.
Yeah.
You want pork sausages, back bacon? Come to Andy's. Sausage.
Pork bacon.
Yeah, exactly. It's the first place I've seen, so
Yeah.
I'm big sure people can know.
Good prices.
No problem. Come to Andy's anyway, guys, for your pork and everything. Have a good day. Thank you. You right, brother? Good. Plenty of clothes shops. Right. I don't think you really need to come here with any clothes.
Yeah, I know.
Just come, bring £100, give a couple of garments. Asda. There we are, yeah, Asda. It's a good name, Asda.
It is, but it's not as good.
No, I know. Thank you.
Yes, my friend here.
You good?
Time on 3.9 stadium.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So there's Cleopatra, tattoo piercings over there. Some big bearings where we are. Some travel. No, yeah, I've got to go. I've got to keep working. Thank you. We do little Chanel's, your watches and perfumes. We got a new look here. And new look shoes. Thank you. Thank you. That's a good price. Right, back at the Taj Mahal, Blueport Shopping Centre. Let's go this one. Right, that's that. We're ending it here.